y'all, so I know my hair looks not very great, but you know what, today is perm day, and I said I wasn't gonna do this video because I really don't want no backlash from any naturalista saying, oh my god, you're putting such harsh chemicals in your hair and whatever. Irks. This video is not for you. Hey y'all, so my name is Melissa and I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to talk about different type of perms. And I know a lot of people say, oh, don't perm your hair, perm breaks your hair, and perm does this and perm does that. I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like, okay? And my hair is permed. A lot of people think I'm natural, and when I say I'm gonna perm my hair, they be like, no, don't perm your hair is so beautiful. You guys, my hair is permed and there is nothing wrong with perm, okay? Perm is just a chemical that changes the texture of your hair. And yes, they say they have a lot of harsh chemicals and yada yada yada, but you guys, your hair can still be healthy even if it is perm. Now, this video is not to encourage any naturalista or anybody that's struggling with their natural journey to go perm their hair. This video is not for that purpose. This video is just for me to talk about my hair and how it's going for me and what I do to keep my hair healthy and not fall out and be, you know, the everybody else hair that falls out when they get a perm. All right, stay tuned. Also, it's just an informational video in case anybody's interested in knowing what to do with their hair if they decide to perm it, and how to keep it, maintain, and make it look healthy just like mine. So let's jump into the video. And also, before I start showing products and start recommending stuff that I use and whatnot, I just want to say, before you buy a perm, you need to know what kind of hair you have on your head. If you have very sensitive scalp, or your hair is not as thick, like the type 4C hair, if you don't have that kind of hair, you need to know exactly what kind of perm to buy. Because if your hair is like mine, let's say if I buy a perm that says super, that perm is way too strong for my hair. My hair will burn like crazy and it more than likely will fall off. So you have to know what kind of hair texture you have. So since my hair is not very bad, I usually buy this. Can you see it? I usually buy this or anything of an olive oil brand. This one has aloe, castor oil, biotin. It has many vitamins and stuff in it too. So this is good for my hair. Now, if my hair is very tender, I do buy Just For Me, which is kids perm. Kids perms chemicals is not as harsh as the adults perm. So sometimes if my hair is not very bad, I just want to get a fresh perm and my hair will be nice and straight, I will get the kids perm. But if like the condition my hair is in now, I need this one. And right here, guys, it says regular. So when you look for your box of perm, look on this side. Make sure it says regular, unless you have that really 4C crunchy kind of hair. I'm sorry to call hair crunchy, but my hair is crunchity. So but my hair texture, it cannot handle super. So make sure you look right here on the box where it says regular and buy regular. All right, stay tuned for. Okay, so healthy hair starts from the scalp. So I usually use this. It's called Perlene Multivitamin Black Hair Growth. I'm gonna leave it here in case anybody wanna screenshot it for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Okay, I usually also like to buy different kind of oils to keep my scalp healthy and also keep my hair healthy as well, to prevent breakage. Like I use jojoba oil, I use tea tree oil, I use vitamin E oil, I use, oh, I bought another vitamin E oil. Also, this is peppermint oil to promote hair growth, and then Jamaican black castor oil. I'm just showing you these because I mix them all together and I make a hair potion that grows my hair in no time. Well, I also add more into it too. But one time I did cut my hair by mistake when I was putting in my box braids. No, when I was taking out my box braids, I cut my hair by mistake. So I cut like a good 1.5 inches. So in 2 weeks, my hair caught up to its same length and everything was growing. So a lot of people were like, oh my God, I need this hair growth oil. I will show you guys pictures to show proof that I cut my hair a whole 1.5 inches, guys. And it grew back in 2 weeks. I was so happy it grew back because I was like, oh my God, I cut my hair. Also, a lot of people feel like you can't perm your hair by yourself and whatnot. Honestly, guys, it's so much better to perm your hair by yourself because you know what your scalp can handle. If someone is doing your hair and your scalp starts itching and starts tingling, which means it's almost time to wash it out, that person doesn't know unless you tell them. And God forbid they're slow and they're halfway done with your hair and the whole back of your head is ready to wash and you can't handle it anymore. You can't tell them, okay, let's go, time to wash my hair. It doesn't work like that. But when you do it yourself, you could do it at a faster pace and you know what your hair can handle. So I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like, and let's start perming because I desperately need it. Okay, so without further ado, let's take this hair out. And yes, this is all my hair. It's my hair. See it? No tracks, nothing. This is all my hair, and yes, it is very healthy. And I forgot my brush. I will be right back. I am back with my brush. So you just want to brush out your hair first and make sure you try to take out as many of the ninja naps that your hair is experiencing at the moment. So let me tell y'all something. It's so much easier to perm your hair when you try to detangle it as much as possible. That's very important. Okay, so after you brush it out or comb it out, whatever you decide to do, you're going to part your hair into 4 sections, which is what makes it go by so much faster and so, ow, guys. Woo! This is not the right comb, but I broke my other comb, so looks like I'm out of luck, right? All right, see you guys when I put it in 4. So I'm back and I put my hair in 4. Let me show you, do a quick spin. So yes, it's in 4 now. Then we're gonna open our box of perm, and then I'm gonna show you what's inside and how to get it started. Okay, so while I open this box, I'll just give you guys some tips and everything while I'm opening this box. So this box of perm cost me $3.96 or like $3.42, something like that. But the perms that I buy are fairly cheap. I feel like they do the same job as the expensive ones. And I feel like if I could spend $4 for my hair to be lusciously straight and it doesn't take 12 years to blow dry it, because my hair is already thick and this is permed hair. So imagine, I did the natural journey for 8 months, and let me tell you guys something. I went to a hairdresser because I was over it, and he was like, your hair is beautiful, but let me tell you something, honey, you need a perm. Okay, because he's used to doing my permed hair. He has never done my hair natural. It took him almost 3 hours just to dry my hair. The first 2 hours was him drying my hair, and the remainder of the time was the dryer drying my hair, and my hair still wasn't dry. He was like, your hair is beautiful and people would die to have hair like yours, but you need a perm. I cannot. I was like, thanks for the confidence. Yeah, it was one of those. So yes. Okay, so in case you don't know what to do, it does come with a whole instruction sheet on what to do, but I don't need that. So it does come with gloves if in case you do not have gloves. Also, it comes with a wooden stick so you can mix the activator into the perm. Also, and if you get confused, the packets will tell you what to do. It says I have to put this inside of this and also the activator, and then you have to mix it until it turns like yogurt. Then that's when you can perm your hair. So I will be right back. I'll do this off camera. So I know I said I was gonna do this part off camera, but here we are. Also, it's good to base your hair with like a grease or something before you perm it, because technically you're not supposed to make the perm touch your scalp. It's only supposed to touch the root of your hair. But you know, everybody can't be perfect. So in the event your scalp starts burning while you're putting in the perm, the trick to make it stop burning is conditioner. You guys, conditioner. I don't know what chemical is in conditioner that stops your hair from burning, but y'all, when I tell you that conditioner trick works, it works. So I wish I could show you. It's like, I don't want to drop it. So it's like this. And then you're going to mix it all in. Now don't go all aggressive in mixing it, because then it's gonna start flying all over the place, and then your eyebrow gonna have perm, and then it's gonna get straight. But you're just gonna mix it until it turns into the consistency of yogurt, or a watery yogurt at least. well, some perms, every perm is different. Some comes with the activator in the bottle, and then it comes out with yogurtish, and some of them comes with like this packet that you put in there, which those are good too, but I hate those because it doesn't come with its own container. Like, what are you supposed to put the perm in? All right, guys, I'll be back when this turns into yogurt. Okay, so I'm back, and it's more like a yogurt now. All right, so here's what you're gonna do. Okay, so before I start perming my hair, I'm gonna talk about shampoos that I generally use for my hair, like after I perm it and everything. Even though the perm comes with its own shampoo and conditioner, I mean, like generally speaking, I use Suave Professionals, and this is not very expensive. These are actually super cheap, and it makes my hair feel super soft. I mean, when I say soft, I mean like, yes, get into it. Soft. No, they're not paying me to say this, or I'm not sponsored and nothing, but I use Suave Professionals because they make my hair feel all professional. All right, so time to start perming. First, you're gonna put your gloves on because that's very important. You do not want perm to be sitting on your skin because it will burn. All right, so first I'm gonna grease my scalp to base it, so that way it wouldn't burn so much, because I have been scratching my head. Oh yes, guys, you cannot scratch your hair before a perm. Like, at least a day or 2 days before a perm, you cannot scratch your hair, because if you scratch your hair, that's gonna open sores and stuff in your hair. Because you know when you scratch your head real hard sometimes and you see blood, and go ahead, slap some perm in it, see how bad that's gonna burn. So I'm gonna grease my scalp because I have been scratching my hair. I know I just said not to, and I have been. Then I just grease the 4 sections, and that same oh, I put so much, ooh girl. But that same grease that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, that's the grease I'm using to grease my scalp. Some people choose to use Vaseline. I've never used Vaseline in my hair, so don't do that. Also, okay, so my hair is completely greased, and I'm going to start perming it now. So it's much better to split your hair into smaller sections so you can make sure the perm gets in every part of your scalp. Not your scalp, your roots. It's supposed to be on the roots, but you know, we're not all perfect. So let me see if I can turn around and show you guys how I do the perm. But you know what? Where am I gonna put the box? Okay, let's try something. But in all honesty, it's all about feeling out your hair. But since I have about 2 inches of growth, I can't feel nada. So I'm just going and doing as I can and massaging it into my roots is all I'm doing right now. Oh, I felt that. I got it in my scalp. But like I said, we're not all perfect. Okay, so the perm is completely in. And I know I said I was gonna come back at 50% when I'm 50% done, but my gloves were in such a mess, I was scared to touch my phone. Anyway, so I take a baby wipe to wipe behind my ear because it did get on my ear. Oh, and it's burning my ear. So I'm going to let it sit for like a good 5 minutes because I can tell my hair is already getting straight. So I'm not gonna leave it in too long for it to burn. Also, some of the little spots that are burning, I'm definitely gonna put some conditioner on it so it can cool down a little bit. Also, guys, super quick, before I finish washing up my hair, I forgot to mention, make sure you buy a perm that says no lye. Because if you buy a perm with no lye and you use the shampoo, the lather will turn pink, indicating that there is still perm in your hair. So once it turns pink, you have to continue washing it until it turns white. Because if you get a perm that has lye in it and it's super and you know all of these things, you're gonna wash your hair once or twice thinking the perm is gone, but really it's still gonna be sitting in your hair, which also causes your hair to break out. Okay, so I'm at a completely different angle, but I just wanted to show you guys that it's still pink, and this is my second wash and the lather is still pink, but it's getting white. So I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, see how it's still pink, but it's getting white. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to come back and show you that the lather is now white, which is what it's supposed to be. It took about four washes for it to be white, which indicates all the perm is out. So I'll be back after I put the conditioner in it and the deep conditioner. I'll be back to show you guys the next step. So for anyone wondering how much hair came out, this is all that came out. I just took it out of my comb. Of course, the comb has a little bit more hair in it, but this is all that came out, you guys. So the conditioner is in. Once I'm finished, I will be right back. Hey everyone, so I'm back. My hair is washed and conditioned. This is the final result of my hair. Now let me comb it out and make something of it. Oh, it's so soft. Nice. All right, let me show you guys how my hair look. It's still a little wet, but it's kind of dry. It's my hair length. And yes, it needs to be blow dried and everything else. But yes, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends who has questions about perm. But one thing I must say, make sure you know your hair and you know which perm to buy. Like I said in this video, is not to convince any naturalista or anybody that's struggling with their natural journey to go perm their hair, but this is my preference. I like to feel my scalp. I like my hair to dry fast, so you know, that's just how I am. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also more content will be uploaded soon. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.